Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashana, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this gorgeous V-part curly wig with no leave out. This was my first time trying a V-part wig, and I did this install in a little over an hour. So this is definitely a beginner friendly wig, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install and to remove this wig. Today's video is sponsored by Alipearl. Thank you so much, Alipearl, for sending me this beautiful box of goodies. They sent me their curly V-part wig in 24 inches, a wig band, some lashes, an edge brush, a satin edge scarf, which did come in handy for this video, a wig cap, and a bag. I'm also using some clips, a crochet needle, a spray bottle with water, and some olive oil hair mousse for this style. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. This hair was really soft, thick, and full, as you guys can see. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box below, as well as my coupon code SASHK for 10% off your order. I did co-wash the hair, and this is what it looks like wet. The curls were really pretty, and this is how much hair came out after co-washing the unit, so there was very little shedding with this hair. This is the hair completely dry. The unit comes with 5 clips, 4 in the front and 1 in the middle, 2 combs at the sides and 1 in the back. There are 2 adjustable straps in the back, and there's also a detachable adjustable strap to really help secure the wig. Before I get into this install, I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to prep your natural hair for this style. Since this is a V-part wig, I'm making a triangle part in the front, and I'm making that section big enough for 4 braids. Then I'm going to make my edges before I start braiding down my hair, and I'm just using some got-to-be glue to do that. Once my edges are done, I'm going to make 2 small braids at the sides of my hair. Then I'm going to make 3 additional braids in the back and braid the ends together. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Since these braids were going to be under a wig, I didn't really pay much attention to how neat or straight the parts were. Now I'm just going to braid all 3 ends together and tuck it underneath that braid. You want to make sure that your middle part is straight because that will be showing, and so I'm just going in with my edge control and reparting to help define that part. Now I'm just going to make the 4 braids in the front and then tuck the ends underneath my braids. So once you put the wig on, you want to make sure that it is properly aligned around the 2 braids in the middle before you insert and close the clips. Then you're going to insert the combs at the sides to make sure that your wig is properly secured. So before I actually start crocheting the hair, I'm just going to section off a small amount of hair around those 2 braids, and this is just to avoid tangles and knots. Now I'm just going to take a small piece of hair. I'm going to place my crochet needle underneath my braid, attach the hair, and pull it through. That's how simple it is, guys. There's nothing else to it. Again, you're just inserting your crochet needle underneath the braid, attaching the hair, pulling it through, flipping it over, and covering the the braid. It's that simple. You can literally complete this step in like 5 minutes, and that is what makes this hairstyle so amazing, because it's simple, it's quick, and it's cute at the same time. You just want to make sure that you're pulling through small pieces at a time so the hair doesn't get tangled. But once you're doing that, then it can literally take you 5 minutes to complete this step. And look at that, it looks super natural. It actually looks like it's growing from my scalp. It's definitely giving nobody's gonna know. How will they know? So now I'm just touching up my edges, and I'm using the satin edge scarf that Alipearl sent me to tie it down. And now I'm just going in and kind of back combing the hair and teasing the roots so it looks even more natural. Before I get into styling this wig, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to remove the wig. So you're just going to expose the braid that the hair was crocheted underneath, and you're going to pull each piece through. So definitely pull a piece at a time, because as you'll see in the front, I tried removing 2 pieces at the same time and it got a little bit tangled and knotty. But once I got that removed, I just opened the clips, removed the comb, and the wig was off. So this wig is easy to install and even easier to remove. I mean, this just has to be like the most beginner friendly wig ever. So now I'm going to style this hair. I'm going in with some water and hair mousse to detangle the hair and make the curls a little bit more defined. This hair was really full, so I had to work in sections to ensure that I was properly detangling the hair. I'm definitely not a pro at shaping and layering my wigs, so I'm just using a face razor to lightly layer the front. I really don't want to cut too much in the wrong places. I did cut a little bit at the ends to get that blunt cut look, and I'll probably cut a few inches off this hair in the future, but I definitely did not want to spoil this beautiful wig for this video. So to really define my curls, I did do a twist on each side, then I used a blow dryer to blow them dry, and that is what produced these gorgeous curls. At this point, the hair was dry, and you can just see from my expression that I was just really impressed with this hair, with the style. But yeah, this is basically the finished look, guys. Like I said, this was my very first time trying a V-part wig, and it did not take very long to install. It took me a little over an hour. This is definitely a beginner friendly hairstyle, a go-to wig when you just need to quickly get your hair done but you want to look cute at the same time. I absolutely love this unit. Thanks again to Alipearl for sending me this beautiful hair. I did put a link to their website, this hair, and my coupon code in the description box below, so don't forget to check the description box. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.